Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Base. In this video, we will learn conversation in a coffee shop. Good morning. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? I would like to order a coffee, please. Okay, sir. What kind of coffee would you like to have? What types of coffee drinks you offer? We offer cappuccino, espresso, black coffee, latte, dark roast, and Americano. I would like to have one espresso. Okay, sir. What size would you like? I would like to have medium. Will you like to have it here or take away? I would like to take it away. Okay, sir. I will make payment online. Here is your coffee, sir. Enjoy your day. Thank you. So that's all for today. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.